This allows you to very easily go and create boxes. So I drop the box, I come over here to my settings, and we have some simple options. We can set our margin and padding. If we want to change the background color of the box, we can very easily do that. If we want to put borders on it, if we want it to have rounded corners, we can go ahead and round the corners. You have complete control over what you want to do. But check this out. With every element, you can also add an effect. So look at all these animations: blind, bounce, clip, drop, explode, forward, highlight, puff, pulsate, scale, shake, slide. So this will definitely get your viewers' attention, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this element. You guys are just getting the crash course here.